Hello my dear crafter, today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful envelopes. This is a new die set by Scrap Diva Designs. It's called Spring Envelope Set and it comes in two sizes. This one here, which is, let me give you the precise size of this envelope. It is 4 by 2 3/4 and the small one is 3 1/4 by 2 1/4. So great envelopes that you can use. This one is perfect for gift cards. Let me just give you some ideas. It's perfect for a gift card. It fits perfectly if you want to put some money in it, little gifts, whatever you want. It will depend on your needs. You can also, of course, make a little card and insert. I would actually use this layering piece here to make the card with, because you would know that it fits perfectly. And that's actually what I used for this. So if you have a small gift like this, like it can be earrings, it can be necklace, anything small, or charms that you're sending to maybe one of your friends who is a crafter. And I used this layering piece here as like the back of it to put this in, and it fits perfectly. Look at this. So you can put it in and you have a beautiful gift in a beautiful envelope. So that's one use for that. For this little one, I have friends who are sewers, and on the back, look at this, I use, because the die set, and I'll show you the die set next, it comes with two sizes. Like I said, this is the medium one, but both of them have scissors. So this is the big one, and the Oh Hello is from a new die set too, from this month. And to send, you know what I'm going to send inside of this? To my sewers and also to friends who travel. And I actually, this one is for me because I travel and I often need to sew something that came off, like a buttons or something. You can put 2 of these inside and give it to your sewing friends or to friends that you know travel a lot. That's what I'm doing. I'm bringing this in my bag with me because last time I traveled, I needed it and I didn't have it. So yeah, so that's one of the uses. But again, all tiny, like a little ring or anything that is small that you need, or just for a little card. Okay, this is perfect for that. So 2 different sizes and a wonderful die set. It comes with decoration options. One of them I already showed you, like these little scissors, but also you can make this beautiful bow, and here's another one that I made. So it comes in the set, that's part of the set, and the other option is a beautiful butterfly. Look how cute this is. And you can see a blue one right here. So it comes, it's not just the envelope themselves, but also decoration for the envelopes. Okay, so I am going to quickly show you how to assemble the die set and the die set in detail so you can make up your mind of how many you need. All right, thank you so much, and let's now move to the tutorial. I'll have the link below. Never forget, on Scrap Diva Designs, use my coupon code PAULA so that you can get at checkout and you get 10% off. And I'll also have the link on the first line of the description so that you go straight to the die set and also to the full collection, okay? Because she has a wonderful collection for March, but this is just a little piece of it. And here is the full die set all cut. It doesn't get much more straightforward than this. Very simple. We have 3 layering pieces and the main body of this pocket. So let me show you what the die set looks like. So exactly what is here, right? So you have the main body. We have some decoration items here. We have a butterfly. We have a bow that we can make, scissors. Yeah, and that's part of the bow, that's part of the butterfly, and the layering pieces. And the die set comes in 2 sizes. So this one here is the medium size, and this one here is the small one. So that's what we have. Very simple to make, very simple to put together, and that's what we're going to do right now. So we're going to start with our beautiful butterfly, and very simple to do. This is the butterfly all cut, and we get two little hearts from here, which are right there. We might use that for something. So I want to make sure and put some glue right here at the center. That's where this goes. Let me find that. See, like that. And that's it. So very easy. Just gonna put it there. It's not well centered here, so there you go. And you can, using your bone folder, if you don't want the butterfly to be flat like that, you can just use your bone folder to add some dimension to it, and just kind of play with it like this. You're going to break the fiber of the paper, and then you add a little bit of movement to your butterfly. So we're going to put that aside, and here it is. We're going to just basically, I'm going to fold the scoring lines first. I like to always fold the scoring lines, and the die set comes with these scoring lines already marked. That's part of the die set. So I'm going to just fold this in right here, and that's that. So basically what we're going to do is put glue here, close it, and we're going to use this part right here. And then on the back side, we use this on the back side. And the flap, see how easy that is? And that's what we're gonna do now. So I think I'm gonna shut it. I usually put the paper first, and then I close it. Then I close it and glue it shut. So that's what I'm gonna do, but you can do the other way too, it doesn't really matter. It's just that I find that when the paper is flat like this, it's easier to glue. And pay attention that there is kind of like a, it's round, little finely rounded here, it's straight here. So you see that on the top it's rounded, so that's where it goes. And when you put it in, when you put the layer on, then you can see, when you look at the, see? Right there. It's a little bit rounded here. It's not much. It's very subtle, but it's there. Makes it easier when you want to pull something from it, from the inside. It makes it easier. It's like when you use a circle cutter, when you have to pull things from the inside and you add a circle to it. So here is where it goes. And the last one, and then we'll just glue it closed. Isn't this easy? You can really mass produce this and make a whole bunch of these in one day. If you're doing markets and you want to maybe sell this for gift cards, it's a great gift card holder. And you just, you know, use your scraps because it's not very big. You can actually use your leftover paper for this. And it's a wonderful die set for leftovers because you can really use it up. So I'm just going to fold it in like this and press it down. And we have our pocket. Let's see. My envelopes are ready. There you go. And like I said, I use Velcro dots to close. You can use magnets. It would be great to use magnets on this. I'm going to put the Velcro dot first, and then I'll put, this is the last thing you put on, okay, the decoration. So I did not bring the dots here, so I'll go get it. Here they are. So the way I do this is I put one on. I'm going to zoom in. I think this is a little far, just a little. There. So I just put one wherever I want it, press it in, and then I come with the other one, put it in place, and I remove this backing. So and then I press it, because then I know it will be perfectly positioned. Once it's pressed, you press just to make sure, and there you go, we have this Velcro dot. And like I said, the last thing we're going to do is to add the decoration. It can be the bow, and I'll show you all of them to you now. It can be the bow, it can be the butterfly, it can be the little scissors. They're so cute. I love those scissors. I have a lot of friends who are sewers, and I am going to create things with those scissors for them. So there you go, guys. I already gave you some ideas. I'm gonna put these little hearts away. So here they are. Here is another one that I made, and then this one here is the little one. I almost forgot to show you another way to use this die set. I just decorated this very kind of blah notebook from the Dollar Tree. I bought it, I added elastic, and I decorated in front just to make it pretty, because it's going to be a gift. And then inside I added one of these envelopes. That's another wonderful use for you, for those of you who make notebooks and do notebook transformations like I did with this one here. Isn't that amazing? So you can put little like a little ephemera here, some tickets, I don't know, whatever you need, but you have a little pocket that is beautiful. So that's another use for that I forgot to show you before. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please use my link below. It will be on the first line of the description, okay? So you can go straight to this die set. Wonderful die set by Scrap Diva Designs. Thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day.